Oh, they went home. You want to go for a little walk?
No, I want to play that boy.
No, he's there with his family, Andrew. Watch for the water, please. Remember, you always keep your back out and you look at the water. You are soaking wet, aren't you? Yeah. Never ending, Andrew. Want to go for a walk, Monkey? Let's go for a little walk. Yeah, we go on a walk here around the water. Okay? Let's do it. Well, you follow Mommy then. Okay?